You know, I'm right in the middle of this town, Algonac, Michigan. It's a Saturday morning. It's just super peaceful and quiet. All you can hear is squirrels and the birds chirping. But it's just, for being in town, it's nice. You know, squirrels dropping stuff out of the trees. Now I wish I had a second cup of coffee. This would be great. I'd just chill out for a few minutes, but I don't have any coffee with me, so let's get up here and get this roof going. All right.